So in high school, my buddy Dave and I were dared to play gay chicken. If you don't know what gay chicken is, it's where two straight guys pretend to be gay, and the first one to chicken out loses. So anyways, Dave and I are both really, really stubborn, and neither of us want to lose. We've been married for 14 years now, run a bed and breakfast in Florida with our adopted daughter. If he doesn't chicken out soon, I'm gonna suspect he's actually gay.
You won't find me down in Sunset, or at a party in the hills, at the bottom of the bottle. Sold you the dream, 16, and ran away. It's a crying shame, came all this way. You won't find Jesus in LA.